welcome to another episode of Jumpin In the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot. Coq Au Vin, that is chicken cooked in red wine. Let's get to the ingredients. I have here salt and pepper already in this. Pearl onions, shallot, and garlic in this cup. Carrots, fresh parsley, all-purpose flour, tomato paste, vegetable broth, oregano, fresh thyme, and I have bay leaves. Red wine. I have bacon here that I already cubed up. I have mushrooms. I'm using shiitake mushroom and baby bellas. And I have butter to put in it. And of course, the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts, chicken drumsticks, whatever chicken you like. And I have a pan here that I'm going to saute it in. So we're going to add the bacon first. We're going to let the bacon cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. See, I think the bacon is ready to come out now. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. So we'll take out the bacon now. See? Now the next step is we're going to put the pearl onions in, the shallot, and the garlic. We're going to saute this up for about 5 minutes. I think it's ready to come out now. You take this out, set it to the side. Then we're going to move on to the next step. So now we're going to season the chicken with the black pepper, the salt, the dried parsley, and the oregano. We mix this up because we got to press it in. Press all the seasonings together in it. Mix it up all together. Mix it up really good. So all the flavors will come together with it. Now, wash my hands, and then I will add it to the pan. We gotta brown the chicken on each side for 2 minutes before we do the next step. We let it saute here for 2 minutes. Then we flip it over and let it saute on that side for 2 minutes. Let's see if it's time to flip over to the next side. Yes, it is. Ready to turn over. Now we're going to let them cook on this side for 2 minutes. Now I think it's time to add the tomato paste. We're going to brown the tomato paste for about a minute with the chicken. Make sure we coat it. Coat the chicken in the tomato paste. We let this cook together for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the butter. Now we let the butter melt completely. We flip them over. Now the butter has melted. So we're going to sprinkle some all-purpose flour over the chicken. Okay, we let this cook. So now we flip them over with the flour on the opposite side to fry. Now what we do now is cover the pot and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now let's check it and see if it's ready. Yes, it is. The pearl onions and the shallots and the garlic are going to jump in the pot. The bacon is jumping back in the pot. Now we're going to stir all this up together. And now the carrots are going to jump in the pot. Stir that up. We're going to have the mushrooms jump in the pot. The shiitake and the baby bellows. We let this air. Now we're going to add the wine. And now we're going to cover this up and let it cook for about 2 minutes. And then we will come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, let's check and see if it's ready to add the next ingredients. Oh, yes, it is. Look at it jumping in the pot. Look at the pearl onions, the carrots, the chicken, jumping all over each other. Now, it's time to add the vegetable broth, the fresh thyme, the bay leaf, and the fresh parsley. We give it a little stir, and we're going to cover this up and let it cook for 20 minutes. This is the finished dish that I've plated up. Coq Au Vin chicken cooked in red wine. I'm serving mine with garlic mashed potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.